Hey guys, my name is Shivajan and welcome back to my channel TechNauts. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you about 7 amazing cool websites and tools to improve your workflow and to also improve your project management. These 7 amazing tools and websites which I'll tell you in the video today will surely benefit you. So we will go through 7 amazing cool websites and tools and we'll see that what unique feature does that website or tool hold. So why I am specially making this video, because to do some little work, especially for content creators, sometimes we need to download the whole software that is paid, and that takes up a lot of time and lot of money. But there are some alternatives like these websites and tools which I'll tell you, and they will do exactly the same work that your softwares do, and that too online. So this way you do not waste your time and you'll get the best results. So first of all, let's talk about Canva. Canva is the most famous website right now, and almost every content creator, whether it be an Instagram influencer or a YouTuber, everyone is using Canva to make videos, Instagram posts, thumbnails, and even I make my thumbnails using Canva. Canva is a free website, everyone can use it, and Canva also has a pro version, but its free version has a lot of things. There are so many templates available, whether you need to make thumbnails, Instagram posts, posters, business cards, invitations. There are templates for all these things. You can totally customize these templates as you wish. So now let's move to the next tool, which is remove.bg. Now this website or tool will help you remove backgrounds from any of your pictures very easily. This website uses AI to remove background from your pictures, and I use this website or tool like every day because I need to paste pictures in my videos or in my shorts or reels which I edit. And if I want to remove background, so what I'll simply do is I'll put the picture in the website, I'll upload it, and then within seconds it will remove the background from the picture and I can use it wherever I want. 90% of the time this website or tool does its work really well, but if your picture has a lot of disturbances in the background, so that will make the website difficult to remove the background from your picture. But in that website you also have a manual erase or restore feature from which you can edit yourself, and then for the transparent background it also gives you some wallpapers which you can put directly in the website and then can download your picture. And now let's move to the third tool, that is Grammarly. Now this is not basically a website, but it is an extension which you can put in your Google Chrome. So wherever on the internet, if you need to write some description or text, so this Grammarly extension will activate, and then according to your text and description, it will give you suggestions on what you should write here. It will also tell you the mistakes in your text or description. It is basically a tool which helps you check and improve your grammar and tone in your text. So this Grammarly extension also has a pro version in which it will give you more advanced suggestions so that you can improve your text like synonyms and antonyms. And Grammarly extension also works on MS Word. So if you're writing on MS Word, you can also use Grammarly on that. Now let's move to the fourth website, which is photopea.com. Now this website has very similar features to that of Adobe Photoshop. Now to obviously use Adobe Photoshop features, you need to download that software and also pay for that software. But what if you get all these features in an online website? So photopea.com is that website. So it will give you almost all the tools which are present in Adobe Photoshop. It also has the wand tool from which you can edit and cut out a piece from a picture and can also make the background transparent, and also many other features which are there in Adobe Photoshop. This website gives you many editing features and you can edit your photos very easily on this website. And what I like about all these websites and tools is that they are very light to use. They do not put any load on your computer or PC. And if instead of this, if you're using a software, so that puts a lot of load on your PC and computer. Those softwares are not free at all, but here you're getting everything online and you can instantly download anything. And now let's move to the fifth tool, which is tinywow.com. Now this website has a lot of PDF editing features. You can edit your PDF, you can create a PDF, you can merge a PDF, you can do everything. You can convert a picture to some other format or a video to some other format. It has a lot of options. This website is a very powerful website. And now let's move to the sixth tool, which is vocalremover.org. Now basically this website gives you options to edit your audio. But this website also has a feature in which you can remove vocals from a song and can just get the music and download that.
Try to give you hints and a hard to see.
And you can also increase or decrease the sound of the vocals in the song, and you can just use that song. And now let's move to the seventh website, which is asana.com. Now this website is a very powerful website to manage your work. You can put your daily tasks in this website and it will keep reminding you of the work which you have. You can also download this app on your smartphone, whether it be Android and iOS, and you can use this from anywhere. You can manage your daily work very easily. You can put in your work for today, tomorrow, or some other day. You can put the due date, and here you can also interact with your colleagues which are working in some job, or if you have a business, so you can also use this website to manage your work and to manage your employees. So guys, these all were the 7 amazing cool websites which I think would surely benefit you in your work. And let me also know in the comments what was your favorite website or tool in this video. And also tell me that would you like a second part of this video. So guys, this was all for the video. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates from my upcoming videos. Thank you.
Sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.